Ever feel like your internet slows down to a crawl after connecting to a VPN? It's a common concern, but don't ditch the VPN just yet. Let's break down why this happens and how to get the best of both worlds, speed and security. First things first, distance matters. Connecting to a VPN server across the globe can add travel time to your data, slowing things down. Think of it like sending a letter. The closer the destination, the faster it arrives. So, choose a server close to you whenever possible. Another culprit is server overload. Free VPNs often cram too many users on too few servers, leading to sluggish speeds. Premium VPN services like PureVPN invest in massive server networks that span across 60+ locations to avoid this. However, with some tweaks, you can optimize your VPN for speed. Firstly, try a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable signal. Also, restarting your router and devices can also work wonders. And ditch the free VPNs. They often throttle speeds and skimp on security. Lastly, invest in a quality VPN like PureVPN. They offer a vast server network, top-notch encryption, and reliable connections, keeping you safe without sacrificing speed. So remember, a VPN doesn't have to be a speed demon. By following these tips and choosing the right provider, you can enjoy the best of both worlds.